Excel Fun Facts. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Want to grab some fun facts about Microsoft Excel? Let's go! In the early days of personal computers, a new program called Odyssey was born. In 1985 it became the first Office application by a young company named Microsoft. Originally named Multiplan, Odyssey was the brainchild of Charles Simonyi, forever known as the father of Microsoft Excel. Now, imagine a vast spreadsheet, a digital canvas with millions of tiny boxes. Each box, or cell, can hold a staggering amount of information, up to 32,767 characters. That's enough to write a short story within a single cell. And for those who love variety, you can choose from a mind-boggling 512 different fonts to make your data more appealing. The scale of Excel is truly enormous. With 16,384 columns and over 1 million rows, there are over 17 billion cells waiting to be filled. If you type fast, filling one cell per second, it will take a whopping 545 years to fill them all. We wouldn't recommend trying that challenge though. There are even some hidden quirks in Excel. Did you know you can't name a worksheet history? Try it yourself and see what happens. Have fun! There are over 500 keyboard shortcuts at your fingertips to make navigating this vast program a breeze. Speaking of hidden depths, Excel treats dates like secret codes. Every date since January 1, 1900, represented by the number 1, is stored as a number, with each day adding 1 to the count. So, January 31, 1900, is simply number 31. Finally, for those who love automation, Excel offers over 450 built-in formulas, cleverly named functions, categorized to tackle all sorts of calculations. From simple addition to complex statistical analysis, Excel has a function for just about anything. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to receive weekly updates.